afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the second live show on marketing as a part of pre-event of upcoming Social Media Day Gujarat. We are organizing Social Media Day on 30th June since 2016. This year, we are going to have an online panel discussion with the industry expert. I will share you the detail of registration after the end of the show. Today, we have Mr. Pranav Thakkar with us. He is a CEO of Suflam Technology based in Ahmedabad. The company is associated with us an IT partner for the Social Media Day Gujarat. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Isha.
Pranav Thakkar has more than 14 years of experience in designing, developing, and deploying his high-scale project using cutting edge of technology. He's extensively worked with many startups, SMEs, corporate, and government agencies to automate their business processes for achieving higher growth. As a CEO of the company, Pranav leads the development team to deliver high-quality product, ensure timely delivery by various project management activities. High quality, firm commitment, and honest communication is the key to his success. Pranav holds master degree of computer application. During his free time, he includes himself in playing with his son Rehan and exploring the nature. We have partnered with the most experienced and well-versed professional in the IT field. I think it is a thought-leading session that shall help everyone in the growth of their business through automation. Sir, I want to ask you one thing, and that in last couple of years, we are talking about business automation. What exactly it means? Why should business adopt this?
Okay, so see, business automation or business process automation, or very popularly called digital transformation nowadays, is like more or less it is used in our day-to-day life. We are all experiencing it. Let me give you a very simple example where in your phone, in your mobile phone, you might have applications like Amazon, Make My Trip, Book My Show. So this is the classic example of business automation. These companies have automated their business processes to provide the kind of client experience, client delightfulness. So that is, they have achieved using digital platforms, and they transformed their business processes using these digital platforms to online modes. So this is the benefit of business automation. So if you are using any of these applications, you can definitely understand the use and the benefit of business automation. However, in the business owners, SMEs, usually there is some myth about business automation. Usually they feel that there might be a huge investment, or they may not have a skilled professionals to work or like use these systems, or the market or the clients are not ready for that. But actually, this is the myth. What exactly the business owners requires for adopting the business automation is the vision. For example, like Amazon started with just online bookstore, and now it's controlling 40% of the cloud share in the overall world. So it's about vision, that how you can leverage the technology in your business and how you can like get an edge over your competitions. And in my opinion, digital transformation or business automation is not the choice for the businesses. It's a necessity of the time if they want to survive and they want to be ahead of the competition.
Like सर, जो आपने बताया तो मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन है कि जब ये ऑटोमेशन और बिजनेस को पता कैसे चलता है, बिजनेस ओनर्स को रादर, कि दिस इज अ राइट टाइम जहाँ पे हमको अभी ये ऑटोमेशन की तरफ जाना चाहिए, हमारा जो बिजनेस है उसको एक अलग वे में ले जाना चाहिए, वो किस तरीके से हम उनको रियलाइज करवा सकते हैं?
See, usually the pandemic has given this very good attention to the digital transformation or the business automation, because now all the businessmen and the enterprises are realizing that they cannot just trust on the traditional mode of selling the goods or supporting to the clients. They need different channels, different ways to reach to the clients to increase their sales. Apart from that, the newer startups which are coming in the market like Amazon, Uber, हम लोगों ने देखा है कि how they are giving the tough time to the local businesses. So, so if let's say if you want to survive in the market, if you want to be in like differentiator in the market, digital transformation is the thing which you need to adopt.
Yes, it will things like एक easy way में आपका business बहुत smoothly चल जाता है.
Yeah, definitely. वो smoothness and cost saving and all that is वो तो है, वो कोई भी computer systems if you are adapting तो उसमें आपको smoothness and cost saving और वो सब मिलेगा. But ultimately digital transformation का purpose है कि customer delightness. So now ये customer जो है, it's your external customers, your internal customers, that is your employees and your vendors. So how you can integrate every one of them into your software systems such that they can have a delightful experience. And if your customers, whether it's internal or external, if they are getting delightful experience, your business is bound to increase.
Right, right. As you mentioned, it's a digitization of the business need that it's a time of need, but still many business owners feel like it's an expense and not an investment. वो लोग इसको एक खर्चे के रूप में लेते हैं. जबकि जो एक मार्केट की रिक्वायरमेंट है या फिर जो हम देखते हैं फॉर अस इट्स लाइक एन इन्वेस्टमेंट जहां से हम एक लॉन्ग टर्म रिटर्न जमा कर सकते हैं. तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज?
सी एक एग्जांपल देता हूं आपको. यू मस्ट हैव यूज्ड स्विगी व्हिच इज एन ऑनलाइन फूड ऑर्डरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म.
Yes.
Now Swiggy uses chatbot to answer any queries related to the orders, related to the delivery. So they are definitely saving a lot on the manpower, setting up the expensive call centers for this. And overall, they are providing delightful customer experience 24/7 to their customers, right? So
Yes.
this is how the digital transformation or the business automation is the investment which is generating good revenue or cost saving for the companies. Other example I can give you about the cosmetic company called L'Oreal. So L'Oreal has a very good case study in this, where they use digital transformation and chatbots, AI chatbots in their Facebook pages to increase the customer engagement. And their case study says that their customer engagement increased by 27%. So being a digital marketer, you must be knowing that if the customer engagement on the pages are increasing, your sales will automatically boost. So that's how I can say that it is an investment, not the expense. However, it doesn't mean that you buy an expensive software or the ERP or paying hefty charges for the cloud solutions or the services means that your company is digitally transformed. No, it doesn't mean that your company will transform just by the help of a software. First thing you need to, as a owner or as a top management, you have to lay down the path or the roadmap for the digital transformation. What goals you want to achieve, and all your stakeholders, all your key executives, they should be aligned towards this goal. If that happens, then only you can see the good results out of digital transformation. So this is how it is. Yeah.
तो लाइक ऐसा जब हम ये डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ये सब सोचते हैं, देखते हैं कि बिजनेस को एक लॉन्ग टर्म गोल में, चाहे कोई भी बिजनेस हो, आफ्टर दिस पेंडेमिक ये नीड तो सबके लाइक एक सामने आ गई है कि आपको दोनों जो भी आपका बिजनेस है, आपको डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन तो लाना ही पड़ेगा जब ताकि आपका जो कस्टमर है वो आपसे छूटे ना, और जो एक हैंडीनेस होता है, जो एक फिंगर टिप पे आज मोबाइल पे हम सब परचेज करते हैं, लैपटॉप लेके करते हैं, तो आपका कस्टमर कहीं ना कहीं छूट ना जाए. सर माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर द B2B इंडस्ट्री. B2B business have different challenges than B2C. Still not many digital solutions are there for them. How digital transformation or business automation can help B2B businesses?
Well, to be honest, there are a couple of, or there are many solutions available where they are catering to B2B as well as B2C industries. However, yes, there are very few software platforms or solutions are there where they are exactly like what it can say. They are exactly targeting the pain areas of the B2B industries, where the one business is selling to the other business via different channels or dealer distributors. So see, there are lots of challenges for the B2B businesses where usually they are having big catalog with lots of products and different pricing for the different customer groups. Now it is difficult to manage it. They have a large sales force across the different territories where they need to track their performances also, their dealers, distributors' performances also. So all this in a way where there is a lack of the integrated single solutions where it can club all this data into one, generate some analytical reports for the manufacturers, wholesalers, kind of a business where they can make a quick decisions regarding their business. So how this is how it is.
Sir, do you have any solution for this? Like आपके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग यहाँ सूरत में भी हैं जिनको ये सारे सॉल्यूशंस या फिर उनको एक पता ही नहीं कि हमको ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की ओर जाना चाहिए, हमको भी ये सारे जो ऑटोमेशन है वो हमारे बिजनेस में लाने चाहिए. तो एज एन आईटी एक्सपर्ट तो आप क्या सोचते हो कौन से चेंजेस जो एक बिजनेस ओनर को अपने डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में लाना चाहिए, खासकर से B2B में जहाँ पे वो लोग ये सारी चैलेंजेस फेस कर रहे हैं?
Okay, so see, in last couple of years, a lot of different companies approach us. Primarily, they are kind of manufacturers, wholesalers, or importers, and they are maybe kind of having some brand which represent them. So most of them came with some common challenges where they are either saying that we have large SKUs and we are not able to showcase all our products to the client in one sales call, or our salesman is going on site and they are not able to showcase all the products because he cannot carry everything, and the pictures in the album or something is not helping us. Apart from that, they are having challenges where the customer retention is the challenge, where they are not able to know that how many customers exactly they have across multiple territories and when the last order came from them, etc. So lot many different things. So identifying all these challenges, we have developed one integrated business management solution for the B2B companies, and we have called it Bizon 365. And we have already shared it with a couple of clients in India, and we have got very good response out of them. And now we are officially launching it in the next week.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. मतलब हमारे पास एक रेडी ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो बहुत सारे बिजनेस को एक इजीनेस दे सकता है. As you have mentioned about Bizon 365, can you tell me what kind of business can use this platform and how they can be benefited?
Okay, so see, the business domain as such, it can be any. However, this is for the businesses who are dealing in multiple channels. They are having probably a dealer distributor networks. They are penetrated into multiple territories, and now they need a robust systems for orders management, because the orders will come from different channels, different territories, different type of customers or dealer distributors. So they need one single channel where all these orders can be clubbed and they can manage, they can fulfill. So this is the challenge, where managing the large inventories or managing the large orders, or managing the performance or tracking the performance of the sales team or the dealer distributors. If this is the challenge of the business, this solution can be the right fit. And apart from that, the businesses who wants to generate some kind of analytics by studying the client preferences and making informed decisions, for them, these solutions could be quite useful.
So like इस बहुत सारे बिजनेस की ये बहुत बड़ी क्या बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग एक्टिविटी, लीड्स को लाओ, आप उसको एक नर्चर करो, एक ट्रैक रखो, इन्वेंटरी का ट्रैक रखो, तो ये सारी चीजें ये सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू बहुत इजी हो जाएगी. पेमेंट इंटीग्रेशन या फिर जो भी एक फ्लो मिल जाएगा बिजनेस को, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कम होगा.
Definitely. Again, see, the purpose of digital transformation is not just saving the cost or reducing the human resources. The purpose of the digital transformation is to provide the delightful customer experience. So
Right.
that should be the goal of the business rather than just reducing the cost or reducing the manpower. It should make your people efficient. So the tool which the solution which we have developed, it comes with the web and mobile applications both, where your customers can directly punch the orders into the system, and your dealer, distributor, or your sales team can fulfill that orders depending on the customers or territory assigned to them. Apart from that, you can manage your inventories, you can manage invoices, and you can study the customer preferences via smart analytics which system generates to make the like data driven decisions.
Yes. सर ये सारे फीचर्स तो वो एक बिजनेस ओनर के लिए, लेकिन जो एक एज अ कस्टमर अगर ये मतलब ये कौन सा डिलाइट मोमेंट, फिर कौन सी ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन एज ए कस्टमर जो ये इंस्टॉल करते हैं उनके लिए इजीनेस आ जाता है उनको कस्टमर को डिलीवरी देने में?
So see, I can relate it with many things, but for example, I'm making my new house, and I want to select the tiles for my house, and I'm going to any showroom. Showroom might have a collection of maybe 2,000 different type of varieties of tiles, but it's not practical for me to see all these 2,000 tiles in a 1 hour or 2 hours time. I will see only what the salesman will show it to me, or what my interior designer will recommend to me.
Yes.
Here, if the same business is online, having a web store or the mobile application, and if the application access is provided to the customers, they can browse through all the 2,000 or 5,000, whatever the number is, the products, and they can make selection out of it very easily. And the entire flow, end-to-end flow, can be tracked in the system. So for the future usage of generating the analytics or any kind of data. So that's how for the end user it is the beneficial.
तो आई थिंक जो लोग ये अगर शो देख रहे हैं या फिर इसके बाद भी देखेंगे तो उनका जो एक हेजिटेशन है डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की और, तो शायद वो बहुत हद तक कम हो जाएगा. तो आपने बहुत अच्छे से समझा कि क्यों ये इम्पोर्टेंट है और क्या इसकी जरूरियत है. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so for our customers, we say very simple thing that if your customer, आपके जो customer है वो अगर WhatsApp यूज कर सकते हैं तो ये भी यूज कर ही पाएंगे.
It's that easy.
Yeah.
So my last question is, what are other areas that Suflam Technologies are working on and how it is helping the clients?
All right. So see, at Suflam, we are working in multiple verticals. One is where we are working as technology partners for the startups. In that case, we build the software products for the startups by converting their idea to reality. So that is our one vertical, and we have very good, good and popular startups in our list who are our clients since many years now. Apart from that, we are working with the enterprises. It is like government, semi-government organizations, or any corporates, where we build customized software solutions for them. And also we have a capability to build scalable and secure software solutions using and getting it certified like the PCI DSS or SOC 1, SOC 2. So all that process we have gone through, and now we are confident to deliver the high scale, secure software solutions for the enterprises as well. So these are the primary areas where we work. Apart from that, we are now focusing more on future tech like AI, AR, VR, and all that. We have done a couple of projects on that, and very soon you will see AI-based solutions from us. Thank you.
Right, great. तो फ्रेंड्स आपको आज तो बहुत मतलब एकदम अच्छा हमारा सेशन रहा. हमको पता चला डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन क्या होता है और क्यों हमको इसको अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में भी अडॉप्ट करना चाहिए. सो प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट फॉर द डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. और आपको इस सेशन के बाद भी कोई क्वेश्चन हो, प्लीज ड्रॉप योर मैसेज. तो प्रणव सर विल डेफिनेटली आंसर योर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस, ऑल द क्वेरीज. और अगर आपको और भी अच्छी जानकारी चाहिए, आपको डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, तो हमारा जो 30th को ऑनलाइन इवेंट हो रहा है, आप उनके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाएं। रजिस्ट्रेशन की सारी डिटेल्स मैं इनबॉक्स में कमेंट में मैं आपको दूंगी। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम।
My pleasure. Thank you very much, Usha. Thank you.